review right.
No.
Under review right now. I circled Thorburn as the board man, but he's playing his off wing these days. A right-handed shot.
There you go. Yep.
Oh, let's see. It goes right. You can see across the line. You can see the white